Let's say you want to find numbers only in a file. We'd go grep-p for PCRE regex. Then we would say \d for digit in file 1. Then look at that. It just gives us numbers or digits from the file. Now I'll show you another command in a second, but first let's clarify something. This isn't a video about regex symbols. We can do that another time. I simply want you to know that they're available in grep in PCRE flavor, which is very widely used. The -p in grep-p stands for PCRE, which is a flavor of regex. Flavors are just different rules on how regex symbols work. Learn the flavor you're using so your patterns do exactly what you expect. If you run into issues, which you're going to do often if you use regex, sometimes checking the flavor of regex that you're using can help you troubleshoot the problem. So let's go with another PCRE regex grep search. Grep-p, then we are going to do a $I, and that is telling grep, hey, find instances regardless of if they're uppercase or lowercase with this pattern. Then we'll do a non-word boundary. Then we'll do the word password, and then a colon with a question mark, and then we'll say file 1. So you see here, now we've gotten the result password, regardless of if the letters are uppercase or lowercase, and regardless of if they have a colon or not afterwards. And that's what this colon question mark does. Now, when is this useful? Well, this is useful when you already know regular expressions and you want to be very specific in the patterns that you wish to return from the search. It really helps with precision because you can really cut out any noise and fluff and see exactly the results you're looking for. Now, if you know of someone else that could benefit from this video, please feel free to share it. And thanks for hanging out with me. Have a good one.